Dear students, in today's video, we are going to understand one more method of artificial propagation, and that is our grafting. Okay. In previous video, we people have understood the same artificial method ही हमने पढ़ा था, but we people have understood first two methods. That is, we people have discussed cuttings, right? And then we have discussed layering and its type, right? Now this is third method of your artificial propagation, and that is your grafting. Now if we are talking about grafting, right, then this method is useful for those plants who do not roots easily. Okay, number one, it is useful for those plants who do not root easily, or it is also useful for those plants who have weak root system. ठीक है, तो जिनके पास वीक रूट सिस्टम होती है, राइट, उसके लिए वी पीपल आर गोइंग फॉर ग्राफ्टिंग. वी पीपल आर गोइंग फॉर ग्राफ्टिंग. ओके, वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट दिस ग्राफ्टिंग इज सक्सेसफुल in those plants who have cambium, okay, it is successful in those plants who have cambium. इसका मतलब जो secondary growth show कर सकते हैं वो plants में grafting is very successful. Now you are familiar with the term cambium. क्या होता है cambium? Cambium is nothing but a tissue, you can say yes or no. कैसा tissue है ये? It is your meristematic tissues, right? The cells of which have capability of cell division. Okay, so this grafting is successful in those plants who have cambium, and cambium का purpose क्या होता है? It is responsible for, I can say it as your girth wise growth, and girth wise growth को आप क्या बोलो? It is called as your secondary growth. Anatomy में पूरा हमने पढ़ा secondary growth. We people have understood that in your chapter. Okay, तो first मैंने आपको क्या चीज बोली? This grafting is very useful in those plants who do not root easily or who is having weak root system. Second चीज जो मैंने आपको बताई, it is successful in plants having cambium. Okay, I hope you understood the purpose of grafting. Now what happens if we are talking about grafting, right? तो आपको दो parts याद रखने हैं. Two names you people have to memorize. Number one is called as your stalk, and second one is called as your scion. Okay, now if I am talking about stalk, focus over here right now, right? If I am talking about stalk, right, then the portion which is rooted, ये soil है मान लो, and this is its root. Okay, the portion which is rooted, that portion is called as your stalk. Okay, it is also called as your root stalk. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? It is also called as your root stalk. Once again, stalk क्या होता है? The plant, right, which is rooted. Okay, ये portion को कहा जाता है stalk, and the portion which is grafted on this stalk, the portion which is grafted on this stalk, right, which is mounted, which is grafted on this stalk is called as your scion. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? scion बोला जाता है. And generally this scion have superior qualities. It is having your superior quality. Am I clear? Once again, the portion which is rooted उसको मैंने बोला stalk, the portion which is grafted उसको बोला मैंने scion. Am I clear? This scion you are going to take of superior quality. Of superior quality. तो I hope you understood the two term. Stalk क्या है? Scion क्या है? Okay. Now if I am talking about grafting, right, then the purpose of grafting, क्या करा है मैंने? Stalk और scion को यहाँ पे I am going to combine them both. What I am going to do? I am going to combine them both. तो मुझे मिलेगा एक new plant. I will get a new plant which have characteristic which have combination of both plant 1 that is your root stock and plant 2 that is our scion. Am I clear? तो जो ग्राफ्टिंग का पर्पस होता है वो क्या होता है? इट इज नथिंग बट कंबाइनिंग property of one plant, say flowering and fruiting of scion with properties of other plant, that is I can say vigor का मतलब होता है फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ. vigor का मतलब क्या होता है? फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, vigor and resistance of another plant. तो ये हो गया पर्पस ऑफ ग्राफ्टिंग. वापस से एक बार, व्हाट इज पर्पस ऑफ ग्राफ्टिंग? अगेन इट इज अ कॉम्बो पैक ओनली. दिखाई देता है आपको यहाँ पे? यस और नो? यस. So what is the purpose of grafting? Is to combine characteristic of one plant, say scion, उसकी flowering and fruiting, with properties of another plant, say stalk, that is vigor and resistant. ठीक है? So ये मिलजुल के जो नया प्लांट बनेगा, it is having all of this property. तो ये फंक्शन, ये पर्पस हो गया आपका ग्राफ्टिंग का. ठीक है. नाउ इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ग्राफ्टिंग, देन दिस इज प्रैक्टिस्ड इन प्लांट्स लाइक योर मैंगो, एप्पल, गुआवा, सिट्रस, एज वेल एज योर रबर प्लांट. ओके, एप्पल, योर गुआवा, सिट्रस, मैंगो एंड रबर प्लांट, इसमें ये प्रैक्टिस किया जाता है. एम आई क्लियर? So I hope the two terms are clear, root stock and scion. अब क्या होता है in grafting? We are allowing, grafting में we are allowing cambium of, it exposes, I can say, it exposes cambium of both stalk as well as your scion. ठीक है? Grafting exposes cambium of stalk as well as scion, right? Followed by which हमने क्या करा है? Firm wounding, I can say, right? This creates wound. This results in formation of callus. And then your stalk and scion binds to form a new plant. Once again मैंने आपको ये बोला, by a process of grafting we are allowing cambium of both stalk as well as scion to expose with each other, followed by हमने क्या करा है? उसको bind कर दिया है. as you can see over here, bind करा है, firm binding. this creates wound, right? wound create हो रहा है, तो वहां पे फॉर्म होगा कैलस. व्हाट इज कैलस? कैलस इज नथिंग बट मास ऑफ अनडिफरेंशिएटेड सेल. ठीक है? कैलस फॉर्म हुआ एंड देन दिस स्टॉक एंड scion combines to form new plant. ठीक है? सो दिस इज जनरल डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ योर ग्राफ्टिंग. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस टू टर्म, root stock and scion. Right? Now we are going to discuss different types of grafting. Okay, जैसे हमने डिस्कस करा था different types of layering, we are having different types of grafting also, as I have mentioned over here. I hope you people have drawn this diagram, right? Pause your video for a minute and draw it, please. So now we are going to discuss types of your grafting. As you can see over here, there are 6 types of grafting. Number 1 says stem grafting, crown grafting, wedge grafting, approach grafting, side grafting and bird grafting. ठीक है? So one by one we are going to discuss. Okay? It is very easy. First we are talking about your tongue grafting, जिसको आप बोलो, it is also called as your slice or whip grafting. क्या नाम है उसका दूसरा? इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज योर स्लाइस और विप ग्राफ्टिंग. ओके, लिसन डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जो डायग्राम में मैंने रेड कलर का ड्रॉ करा है, दैट इज आवर रूट स्टॉक. वो क्या है? आपका रूट स्टॉक है. एंड इन मीडियम विच आई हैव मेंशन्ड ऑफ योर ब्लू कलर, वो आपका शायोन है. वो क्या है आपका शायोन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर टंग ग्राफ्टिंग. टंग ग्राफ्टिंग में सिंपल क्या करा जाता है, ऑब्लिक कट और स्लोपिंग कट इज मेड. स्लोपिंग कट or I can say as your oblique cut is made in both stalk as well as scion. Stalk as well as your scion. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो आप stalk यूज कर रहे हो, जो scion यूज कर रहे हो, they have same diameter. They are having same diameter. So as you can see over here, ये red वाला portion क्या है मेरा, stalk है. ब्लू कलर पोर्शन क्या है मेरा, शायोन है. एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर आई हैव मेड ऑब्लिक कट फॉलोड बाय विच, उसकी होगी जॉइनिंग बाय मीन्स ऑफ अ ग्राफ्टिंग क्ले. बाय मीन्स ऑफ अ ग्राफ्टिंग क्ले और यू कैन से इट एज योर ग्राफ्टिंग वैक्स. एम आई क्लियर. तो ये सिंपल सा है आपका टंग ग्राफ्टिंग. नेक्स्ट कम्स योर वेज ग्राफ्टिंग. वेज ग्राफ्टिंग इज अदरवाइज कॉल्ड एज योर क्लेफ्ट ग्राफ्टिंग. ओके, इसको क्या बोला जाता है, इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज योर क्लेफ्ट ग्राफ्टिंग. नाउ यू कैन सी वी शेप नोच इज गिवन टू स्टॉक. एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, ये स्टॉक है एंड यहाँ पे वी शेप कट एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, इट इज गिवन टू स्टॉक. While if you are talking about your scion, then scion is given wedge like cut. Wedge like cut मानी क्या, tapering end. As you can see over here, as you can tapering end पता है ना आपको. If I am talking about your carrot, तो carrot कुछ ऐसा होता है. This end जो narrow होता है, that end is called as your tapering end. Am I clear? So if I am talking about your scion, then scion का end कैसा होना चाहिए, narrow. It should fit. It should fit in this V-shape notch of स्टॉक. एम आई क्लियर. तो इसको मैंने कैसा कट दिया, वी शेप कट. इसको मैंने कैसा कट दिया, वेज शेप. वेज कट का मतलब होता है नैरो एट वन एंड, टेपरिंग एंड. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू इंसर्ट दिस स्टॉक, सॉरी दिस शायोन टू दिस स्टॉक, फॉलोड बाय विच क्या होगा, फर्म बाइंडिंग बाय मीन्स ऑफ ग्राफ्टिंग क्ले. सिंपल एज दैट. तो ये हो गया बच्चों जी आपका वेज ग्राफ्टिंग और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज योर क्लेफ्ट ग्राफ्टिंग. ओके, नेक्स्ट कम्स योर क्राउन ग्राफ्टिंग. ओके, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट क्राउन ग्राफ्टिंग, देन इन दिस टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ्टिंग मेनी शायोन्स are inserted in root stalk. As you can see over here, ये एक ही root stalk है, the red portion, and इसमें मैंने डाले हैं 1, 2 and 3 scions. Am I clear? So what I have written, many scions are selected and inserted in the stalk. तो ये हो गया आपका crown grafting, very easy it is. Then comes your side grafting. As the name suggests, side में कुछ करा गया होना चाहिए, right? So if you are talking about your side grafting, then once again as you can see over here, side में V-shaped notch is given to your stalk. As you can see over here, ये क्या है आपका stalk है. Stalk के side में V-shaped cut is given, V-shaped notch is given to stalk at one side. Yes or no? अब ये शायोन है, राइट? तो शायोन का एक एंड इज शार्पन, एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, इट सेम एज दैट ऑफ योर वेज ग्राफ्टिंग, लेकिन ये साइड पे करा जाता है. इट इज डन इन साइड. ओके, सो वन एंड ऑफ योर शायोन, एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, एक एंड जो है ऐसा है, इट इज शार्पन. यस और नो? यस. So stalk is sharpened and then it is inserted in the stalk. Am I clear? तो ये हो गया आपका side grafting. Then comes your approach grafting. Then comes your approach grafting. Okay. In approach grafting, you people have to select shoot of two independently growing plant. Okay. As I have mentioned, this is shoot of one plant. This is shoot of another plant. This is stalk This is scion. Am I clear? Now you are going to debark it. You are going to debark it, right? And then you are going to bring this both shoot together as I have mentioned in this diagram. Shoot ko I have brought them together and I am going to bind them by means of a grafting clay, as you can see over here. Okay, once graft is done, as you can see over here, ये आपका जो stalk है red color portion वाला, stalk is cut, I can say, as you can see over here, stalk is cut above the graft, है ना? ये आपका ग्राफ्ट है, मैंने स्टॉक को कहां से काटा? अबाव द ग्राफ्ट. ओके, एंड एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर scion, as you can see over here, scion is cut below, नीचे है ना, below the graft. This is very important in case of your approach grafting. तो देखो, stalk is cut above the graft, as you can see over here, and scion plant cut below the graft, as you can see over here. Okay, so ये हो गया आपका approach grafting. And last is your bird grafting. As the name suggests, यहाँ पे हम क्या यूज करने वाले हैं? bird. And this bird is our scion. ठीक है, तो scion क्या है आपका? Scion is bird which have little amount of bark and cambium. Okay, as you can see over here, this is your root stalk. ये क्या है बच्चा जी? आपका root stalk है. I have made T-shape cut. Okay, मैंने इसको T-shape कट दिया है, as you can see over here, right? What I am going to do, I am going to insert this bird with little bark and cambium in this T-shape cut, as you can see over here. तो ये जो है आपका graft ready है. Am I clear? तो ये हो गया आपका bird grafting. Okay, so this is all about your artificial method. First one is your cutting, second one is your layering, and third one is your grafting. By this video we people have completed vegetative propagation, है ना? टॉपिक याद है ना आपको? वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन हमने पढ़ा. Natural method we people have understood, and in this video we people have completed your artificial method. I hope you people understood this very well. Thank you very much.